China's contemporary Amperex technology, CATL, is sodium-ion. Breakthrough, the battery that changes everything. Welcome back to Smart Tech and Biz, where we break down the technologies shaping the next decade. Today we're looking at a breakthrough that could fundamentally shift the global EV market. CATL has officially resolved the core manufacturing challenges of sodium-ion batteries, and mass production begins in 2026. This is the first real industrial-scale alternative to lithium batteries in decades. Let's unpack what this means. Lithium-ion batteries have powered the EV revolution, but they come with limitations. Lithium is expensive and geographically concentrated. Cold weather performance is weak. Supply chains are fragile. Prices fluctuate with global demand. Sodium-ion flips this equation. Sodium is abundant, cheap, and globally distributed. And unlike lithium chemistries, sodium-ion cells retain around 90% of their capacity at -40 degrees. That makes them ideal for northern climates, commercial fleets, and low-cost EVs. This isn't just a new battery, it's a new strategic resource. On April 21, 2026, at CATL Tech Day, Chief Scientist Wu Kai confirmed that they have resolved the core manufacturing challenges for sodium-ion batteries and mass production begins in 2026. CATL expects large-scale output by Q4 2026. 30% lower cost than LFP no lithium, cobalt, or nickel required. This is not a lab experiment, this is industrialization. Chief Technology Officer Gao Huan revealed that CATL overcame 4 major bottlenecks that stopped the entire industry from scaling sodium-ion. First, extreme moisture control. Sodium materials absorb water easily. CATL developed a closed-loop humidity suppression system, stabilizing production lines. Second, hard carbon gas generation. Hard carbon anodes tend to release gas during formation. CATL says they have engineered a low gas generation carbon structure, improving safety and cycle life. Third, aluminium foil. Bonding sodium-ion uses aluminium for both electrodes, cheaper but harder to bond. CATL created a high-adhesion interface layer, enabling high-speed automated manufacturing. Fourth, self-generating anodes. Sodium-ion requires a unique anode formation process. CATL developed a self-generating anode technology that reduces cost and increases consistency. In total, CATL solved over 100 engineering challenges, backed by 10 billion yuan in R&D leading up to 2025. This is why they're ahead. Sodium-ion is already entering the market. For light commercial vehicles, CATL's Tectrans 2 solution was launched in late 2025 and became the first mass-produced sodium-ion system for light commercial vehicles. Passenger vehicles are next. On February 5, 2026, the world's first mass-produced sodium battery passenger vehicle, a joint creation of Chang'an Automobile and CATL, was unveiled, with market launch expected mid-year. Additionally, Gao revealed that Ion UT Super Passenger Vehicle, developed jointly by JD.com, GAC Group, and CATL, will also feature a sodium battery variant with production slated for Q2 2026. Current sodium-ion systems reach approximately 175 watt-hour per kilogram. That's lower than lithium iron phosphate batteries, which means early applications are limited to micro-electric vehicles under 100,000 yuan, urban mobility, delivery fleets, stationary storage, but CATL believes this will improve rapidly. However, Gao expressed optimism that as the supply chain matures, sodium battery vehicles could achieve ranges of 600 kilometers for pure electric models and 300 to 400 kilometer pure electric range for extended range hybrids, satisfying over 50% of market demands. Chairman Robin Zeng predicts sodium-ion could replace 30 to 40% of the global battery market. This is not a supplement to lithium, it's a parallel ecosystem. Sodium-ion is about cost, climate resilience, and supply chain independence. And with CATL's breakthrough, it's finally ready for mass adoption. This is Smart Tech and Biz, where technology meets strategy. Stay analytical, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.